Hello every crafter. So as you can see from the photos, I did manage to take my crochet on a plane. I didn't get much done, kind of awkward, limited space, but I did get some. So here's just what I took. I took my crochet hook, I took yarn, sewing needle. I did thread this through some yarn so that they could see it. Also, any items that I were unsure about, I put towards the side so they could see it through the box. I switched to a box. I also took this pair of scissors. Scissors have got to be under a 6 centimeter blade, which these are, and they just fold out like so. And that's my handy pair of scissors. I'll see you all guys when I'm back. Catch you on the flip. Enjoy the view.